All right, so this is our video over our unit rate review. So these are what our level 3 question looks like for a unit rate. So the first one says Paul ran 22 miles in 2.5 hours. What was his average rate per hour? So, uh, rate per hour. So we want to put miles on top. So 22 miles over 2.75 hours. If you're not sure what goes on top, you just go by this. So if it says rate first, that means you're going to have rate on top. Per means this line, and then hours on bottom. So type that in your calculator, and that's going to give you your first answer. So number 2, Mark bought 4 pounds of apples for $7.56. What was his cost per pound? So that means cost is on top. So 756 divided by 4, because that's how many pounds of apples he got. And that's going to give you the cost per pound. Kelly purchased 6 equally priced CDs for a total of $75.30. What is the cost per CD? So again, that's cost on top. Cost is pretty much always on top. And then what did she get for that cost? She got 6 CDs. You guys probably don't even know what CDs are. So you type that in to your calculator, and then you're going to get the cost for 1 CD, or the unit rate. The next one, Harry compared the prices of orange juice before deciding which container to buy. The 128-ounce container was $7.04, and the 64-ounce container was $3.20. What is the better deal? So we're going to do cost on top. So 704 divided by, let's see, it says 128 for 704. So divided by 128, that gives us one of the costs. And then the other container was 320 for 64 ounces. So you're going to find the rate and then tell me which one's the better deal. I want you to write which one's the better deal over here. All right, Madeline's family went on vacation. On Sunday, they drove for 7 hours and traveled 434 miles. What was their average speed? So we're going to do 434 miles over how long it took them to drive that long. So that's miles per hour. So that'll tell me how much they drove in 1 hour. We want to know how much ground did they cover in 1 hour. Number 6, find the unit rate for each item to determine which is the better deal. So this one, they already set it up for you. You just have to divide and figure out, is $15.33 for 7 pounds a better deal, or is $12.90 for 6 pounds a better deal? Number 7, the cost of 4 shirts is $36. At this rate, what's the cost of 9 shirts? This one has an extra step in it. So first we got to find the rate. How much does 1 shirt cost? So you type that in, 36 divided by 4. That means we get 8. Okay, right? I think it's the early morning. No, it's 9. So use a calculator. Don't be a hero like me. So it's 9. So each shirt costs $9. So if each shirt costs $9, to find out how much 9 shirts cost, so $9 per shirt. So then to find out how much 9 shirts cost, we do $9 per shirt times 9. Oops. 9 times 9 to find that out. Kathy earns $32 in 4 hours, and Beth earns $37.50 in 5 hours. Who earns more per hour? So see if you can set this one up. Remember, cost always goes on top and time goes on bottom. They give you 2 different rates. Kathy gets $32 in 4 hours, and Beth earns $37.50 in 5 hours. So you got to figure out who earns more per hour. Number 9, in 3 batches of trail mix, there are 2 cups of peanuts. How many cups of peanuts are there in 1 batch? So 3 batches So peanuts per batch. So we're going to do 2 cups peanuts per 3 batches. So type that in your calculator to find out how many peanuts are in one batch. All right, good luck.